Seeing the hives are swarming and everything currently. I've had a couple of people, more like about 10 people, call and want to know if they need to buy a queen, and they don't know how to tell if the hive is expecting a queen back from a mating flight. This colony here should have a virgin queen in it. As you can tell, first indicator to me is they're gentle. They're not flying off the frames. See if I can do this with one hand and get it out here in the sun. Make sure the virgin queen's not on here. I do not see her. Virgins are usually the fastest bee on the frames. And then your mated queens will lumber, what I call lumber around. See if I can take this over here to this hive and set it on top and maybe get a good view of what I'm trying to say. They say don't ever blow on bees. I just blew on them. Hopefully you can see down there into the bottom of the cells. They have cleared out all of this area right through here in anticipation of a laying queen. Virgin is getting mated. She may already be mated. It's been over 10 days since she hatched, so she may be mated and just not laying. I'll pull out another frame, drag it over into the sun, so maybe it'll be able to be seen better. Well, I disturbed them that time with one hand. They're bringing in pollen. That is another indicator. Not always a true indicator, but especially right now with the nectar flow coming to an end. And the sun goes behind the clouds, but maybe you can see down in there. Let's see what the other side looks like. The other side's got a few more bees on it. Sorry if I'm making you sick, because it's hard to do this with one hand. There's the sun coming back out. Alright, you can see down in the cells, hopefully. Looks good on my side. They've cleaned out this whole middle section where brood normally is. It's spot shined and spit shined, I should say, and ready to roll. That's some of the indicators I look for to tell me that there's a virgin queen, that they're expecting to come back and get mated, come back from mating and start laying. If they're backfilling that area, either A, they don't have enough room, or B, she may not be here, the hive will be more agitated. But that's what I'm looking for. Thanks for watching.